Okay, I've got my construction light back on. I've got my light fixture off. And I'm just going to leave it off until we get these up there. I made sure the bottom part was pushed on there nice and snug. Okay, I still got the bubble wrap on. And I'm going to just put it up there and lift that off, okay? Grab the other ones. You want to make sure that bottom piece is snug and pushed on all the way. Okay. And I'm just going to gently place that in there like that and lift the plastic off. Okay. Let's leave one of the... I could have left the plastic on there to twist these in place, but you know, because once I turn the light on, then I can adjust those, slide them around. Okay, here's the last one. Still gonna be, careful with it. Okay, now see, these are gonna be slightly wobbly unless you decide to take that bottom tape off of there and then push these down in place. Before you push it down in place, then you might want to hold it, have the light on, twist this about where you think you want it, and then set it down. But then the next time to pull these out, it's going to be that much difficult to pull these out, right? You're going to have to kind of wiggle it. Hopefully you don't break it and all that kind of good stuff. Because the glass is not going to come off of that bottom piece, even though you got that plastic or that rubber little gasket on there. You're going to have a heck of a time trying to get those off. And you wouldn't want to do that anyways. You'd want to pull the whole thing out at one go so none of these crystals fall down in there. So you're going to have to wiggle this back, forth, to try to get it off the sticky on the bottom. You know what I mean? I'm thinking I'm just never going to take that sticky off, the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to turn the construction light off so we get the real deal here. Turn this light on now. Oh, that looks nice. Okay, now I can kind of look at these and decide what I want to do. There's something there. I think I should just twist that one way or another. I'm kind of liking that right there. And that's kind of twisted that same way. This one looks cool exactly where it's at, but let's just see. Let's just see what to do there. I think that's all right. See? None of them are going to look the exact same. And then all your light reflects out of there differently no matter how you place that. So if you don't like a certain amount of light, just twist it until you like it. You see? Well, I'm standing down here. I'm looking at that. I'm thinking I might like it better. As I'm standing down off of the ladder, I want to see. I don't want something shining right at my face, and so I'll twist that. I'm liking that. I'm liking that a lot right there. And it's got your little down lights. I've got it all the way up. Now, if I want to dim it, I can dim it down, leave it dimmed. Come in here late at night, coming into the bathroom. That's plenty of light to come in here. And then during the day, you want it up. That's plenty for right here. And even if I have this door closed, I think that's enough. It's just enough for this little bathroom, and it's right here where the mirror is going to be if you want to put your makeup on and all that kind of stuff. This is plenty. I'm glad. Overall, I guess this light isn't really giving me any more light. The 27-inch long one as opposed to the 20-inch long one. The 20-inch long one had the same 4 pieces. I think they were just kind of slightly closer together, I would think. I think it would transfer out the same amount of light, but in a closer spot. So, you figure out which one you want at the store. Well, am I done with my project? No. The last thing, and I'm talking about the last thing before you leave, make sure you clean up. Make sure you save your direction booklet with the phone number, the website. I've got my plastic anchors, some screws, some wire nuts for another project I can throw in my little bag of goodies, my electrical stuff. And if you're not sure of the light fixture, if you like it or not, or if you want, you can keep your box for a while if you want. Put it up in the attic, put it in a storage closet, anything like that. Save it in case you need to return it if something breaks right away or anything like that, or if a week down the road you think, you know, I really don't like it. I think I like something better. Well, hey, you could always take it back to the store, but you know what that's going to do? You're going to have to take it all apart, put it all back together, get it all nicely back in there. They'll take it back, you know, but most people like what they put up and decide to keep it. So, you know, throw it away or save it. You decide. Now, obviously that throws some shadows here and there, but I got the mirror back up. I've got plenty of light on here. I don't have any shadows on here with the down lights. I like the fact that it's got the little down lights and the other up above shining up and all that kind of stuff. I like it. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.